Hey guys, a lot of you have asked about my skincare regimen, which I have videos on YouTube, but I'll go ahead and do a quick little video for IGTV so it's much easier to find when you need it. Don't mind my hair. It is a completely hot mess, like seriously. Okay, step number 1. So this is what I do once every week, once every 2 weeks. I do a mask. But my basic skincare routine is the pine tar soap and what looks like a very used jar of Ageless Glow. I'm actually almost done. This lasts me about 2-3 months. I only put about 4 drops when I use it. So I'm going to wash my face with that pine tar soap. Whether I use a mask, whether I use a scrub, I always wash my face first. A scrub helps to exfoliate your skin. A mask helps to draw out the impurities on your skin. Both help with circulation. Getting the dead cells off. Tightening up your pores depending on what mask you use. You always want to do something where you're exercising your skin so that you can bring the blood circulation to the forefront of your skin. I never let the soap touch my eyes because it'll burn. Any natural soap you use will burn because we don't put any ingredients in it to help minimize the burning sensation. I'm gonna go ahead and do my neck too. Do a nice little mask on my neck. I'm trying to keep this video to less than 10 minutes. And it doesn't look like that's gonna work. So this is a mask that has bentonite clay, honey, a little apple cider vinegar. What else did you put it? Lime. She put a little lime. I can tell you, never use lemon or lime before going out. So this is a mask you want to use if you know you're staying home or there's no sun outside. Or it can potentially burn your skin. Anything citrusy and the sun does not work well together. And this is a MAC brush, foundation brush. Oh shoot, did I get clay? Oh, I better be careful. But you can get the e.l.f. brush from Walmart for $2. How many of you guys are thinking she should have wrapped her hair before she did this? Yeah, that would have been smart. Don't get it in your eyes, get it as close to your eyes. You can use your finger. Don't forget your nose. Just have fun painting your skin. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry for about 2 minutes. I should really let it dry till, you know, it's dried all the way, but since I'm doing a video and trying to keep it at a certain limit, I'm gonna let it dry for about 2 minutes. So like I was saying, there's different type of mask, and you have to understand your face type before putting a mask on your face or customizing your own mask. For instance, for people that have really, really oily skin, a nice combination is activated charcoal and bentonite clay. Activated charcoal is very drawing. It draws the impurities out of your skin. And if your face is oily, your face can handle activated charcoal. But if your face is dry, you're doing the nice little damage to your skin, because now you're drawing out too much oils from your skin that's going to cause your skin to be dry. So if you have dry skin, the best type of clays that you can make at home to mask are bentonite clay, like what I have on my face, rose clay, any of the pink clays, red clay, rose clay, Moroccan clay. These are things you can find at whole food type stores. But any type of pink clay is very good for sensitive skin, very good for dry skin. Also, white kaolin clay is very good for sensitive skin. That's a white clay. So for dry and troubled skin, those are the best clays. If your skin is combination, a bentonite clay mask is perfect. It's a perfect middle ground clay. It draws impurities, but not too much, not overpowering. And of course, the activated charcoal. So you can basically mix clays with anything, water, apple cider vinegar. I can tell you, if your face is dry, too much apple cider vinegar can irritate your face, so be very careful. Put a little bit. My daughter loves to put honey in her clay, so this one has honey. She loves to put lime and lemon, so this one has lime in it. And you can put avocado, which is very moisturizing for the skin. So basically, you can have fun when you do a clay mask using clays. Just be sure, pay attention to your skin like the day or two after, to be sure that your skin liked what you did, so you could keep repeating it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off now. It's not dry. I could have left it on for 10 minutes, but for the purposes of the video, actually I'm gonna leave it on. This will be a part 1, and then I'll do a part 2, so you guys could see how I take it off and what I do to end my weekly mask treatment. What else can I share with you for the next minute? This is something you could do once a week. In between the pine tar and scar butter, you do a facial mask once a week, or you can do a scrub. I have the lemongrass and the lavender scrub, which is really good for exfoliating your skin. You can do a pineapple, papaya, pumpkin. Those are very good at exfoliating your skin naturally by just taking the piece of the fruit and rubbing it on your skin after washing with the pine tar soap. So there's many ways, inexpensive ways, that you can draw the impurities from your skin and moisturize your skin at the same time. I'm gonna cut this. You gotta cut it. Cut it, cut it, cut it. Okay, no, let me stop. We're gonna do part 2.